Hi friends, this is Priyanka Singh. Welcome to my YouTube channel, The Food Trip. Today I am going to cook creamy white sauce macaroni. Let's have a look to the ingredients. First of all, I have taken 1 cup of mushroom, 1 onion, 1/4 capsicum. This is half cup grated cheese. I am using Gouda cheese. You can also use Parmesan, cheddar, whatever you like. This is half teaspoon dried oregano, olive oil, chili flakes, black pepper, 1 cup macaroni, 1 cup milk. This is 1/4 cup mixture of all-purpose flour and water, half cup grated carrot, half cup sweet corns. So let's see how to do this. First of all, I am adding 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Now the oil is hot. I am going to add onion first. Just saute it for a minute. See, these are done. Now I am adding capsicum and mushroom together. And add a little bit of salt. Just to give it a mix and allow this to cook for 2 minutes. My capsicum and mushroom is getting done. Meanwhile, I am putting this macaroni for boiling. I am adding a little bit of salt to this. And it will take around 5 to 8 minutes. You have to be careful, it should not be like very soft. See, this is done. This is the result of only 2 minutes. So you don't have to cook a lot. Now I am adding milk to this. Just boil it. You can see the milk is boiled nicely. Now I am going to add cheese. You can also use Parmesan cheese, cheddar cheese. Here I am using Gouda cheese. And just give it a mix with that. Also add, which we made with the plain flour and water. But don't put all together. Just check the consistency and then add. I'm just adding here around 3 spoons. And we will check the consistency. And then we see if it's required more or not. You have to make it a good boil, little bit, and you have to stir it continuously because otherwise it will get lumps. You will see the cheese is melting and the color is also changing. I am adding a little bit of crushed black pepper. It's a fresh one, so it gives nice taste. Now I am adding this grated carrot. Now the sweet corns. I really don't want to cook them a lot, that's why I'm adding at the last. Give it a stir. See the nice colors. The vegetables are completely optional. You can use any vegetables, including broccoli, beans, whatever you like. Now I'm adding this oregano flakes. At last, very little of salt. Give it a mix. And see, this is done. Now our macaroni is boiled. I'm adding to this. Just check how much thick you want. Wow, look. See, isn't it looking nice? This is ready. You can eat it like this, but here what I'm doing is I'm just taking this out. You can take out in any container and I'm going to grill this. This will give the amazing taste. and just adding a little bit of cheese. This will really gives a nice flavor. If you want, you can have without cheese also and with cheese also, but let's see how this will come. And now I'm going to grill this for 5 minutes. And for this pasta, see how I'm serving? I'm just putting like this on a plate, and we'll garnish with the sweet corns and carrot. Sprinkle a little bit of chili flakes. And now I'm garnishing with sweet corns and a little bit of grated carrot. If you like, you can add cheese to this, but I'm not adding here because I made already another one with the cheese. So here it is, you can enjoy. And let's see what's the situation of other one. And see, here is the cheesy one. Let's check this. Oh my god, wow, see? Enjoy with your friends and family. If you like this recipe, please share, like and comment. And also press subscribe button below if you have not subscribed yet. Also press bell icon so that you can get notifications. Thank you.